Tired of chasing clients for signatures and payment details during onboarding? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to seamlessly link Docusign to Stripe for a streamlined client onboarding process, tagged with hashtag #DocuSign Stripe and hashtag Stripe onboarding. First, create your client onboarding document in Docusign. This could be a contract, service agreement, or any document that requires a signature and payment authorization. Next, navigate to the Manage tab in Docusign. This is where you'll prepare your document for sending. Now, click on the Add Fields button. This will open the drag and drop interface. Drag and drop the signature field onto the appropriate place in your document. This is where your client will sign. Open your Stripe account and create a payment link for the service or product you are onboarding your client for. Copy the payment link URL. Back in Docusign, drag and drop a text field onto your document, labeling it something like payment link or click here to pay. Select the text box and open the Properties panel. In the Properties, set it to be a hyperlink. Paste the Stripe payment link URL into the hyperlink settings. That's it. Now, send the document to your client. They can sign the document and then immediately click the link to complete their payment through Stripe. You've successfully connected Docusign to Stripe for a smooth client onboarding.